Henry Mill from England is believed to be the author of the first typewriter in 1714, although his typewriter was not fully developed. In 1833, a Frenchman named Charles Progin created a typewriter with a keyboard and levers for each character. In 1843, Charles Thurber, an American, invented a typewriter with symbol keys arranged around a circular brass plate with a spindle in the center. He used a hand crank to select the necessary character and ink the typeface to imprint it on paper. However, using this type of typewriter was very slow. Finally, in 1873, three Americans, Christopher Sholes, Samuel Soule, and Carlos Glidden, mass-produced the first typewriter. This typewriter had many special features and became widely used. However, typewriters gradually got replaced by computers.